In this video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Breach, Splinters, and Path of Exile 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Breach, Splinters can be combined together to make one single Breach Stone. And if you hover over the item in your inventory, you will see it here. It has a stack size of 300 and the description clearly states, combine 300 splinters to create a Breach Stone. But for whatever reason, it doesn't convert. So this conversion should be done automatically. As soon as you get to 300, it becomes one Breach Stone. But if it doesn't work, then all that you have to do is remove one from the stack. So get one Breach Splinter from the stack, place it aside. So place it here next to your main one. And then all that you have to do now is combine them together. So you grab the one individual Breach Splinter that you've separated and you combine them into the stack of 299. Immediately upon doing this, it should transform itself into one single Breach Stone, as long as you combined a stack of 300. And then you will see it here, travel to the Twisted Domain by using this item at the Realm Gate, can only be used once. So to keep it simple, it should be done automatically. But if it doesn't work automatically, then you just separate one Breach Splinter from the stack and you put them together by stacking them with 300. It will automatically combine into the corresponding Breach Stone in your inventory. After it is done, you can use it. And if you find a stack of 300 in your stash that hasn't combined, you can also do the exact same steps. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you combine Breach Splinters into a Breach Stone, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So consider subscribing to help us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.